Hi, my name is Binti Nizam. I'm going to explain about a database container. After we finish installing application install.kei, we're going to create the file in the project repository. As you can see here, we have 01 MySQL, 02 Server C, 03 Client C, 04 Server Pi, and 05 Client Pi. And then we're going to make a Docker file in every repository and Docker compose YML file. And then we can type ls to see the file that contained in a project file. Okay, first we're gonna edit the docker compose YML file. The container name is server01 MySQL and the port is 30,000 and 3,306. Then we're gonna assign for the database container. This is the docker file for 01 server MySQL. Then we enter the docker compose up command. As we can see here, this is the process where the docker is running. This is for the server 01 MySQL container. Then this is the bash of server 01 MySQL. First, we're gonna show the databases, and there are three there, the database. We're gonna use ser_db, which is the database for our project. Then we're gonna show you a table. There it is. Then we're gonna describe the table. Then select to show what is contained in each field. And then we can check the database using IP address of Ubuntu and port that we assign for phpMyAdmin. As you can see here, this is the interface. Here we can see our database, which is ser_db, and then my table. So this is our data that we have done.
Hi, my name is Siti Nuraliza. I will present about client server under C programming. By using ls command, we will see all containers that we made in this directory. With command nanoserver2.c, it will show the source code of server 2. So here is the source code. And now we try in client directory. With using same command at server, which is ls, it show all container we made in client directory. And using command nano client2.c to show the source code of client 2. Here is source code. Then we can duplicate the tab for not disturbing Docker while it running. In new tab, we log in as ser and change it to group. Then change directories. After that, we using the command docker ps to show all the container that is being running.
Hi, my name is Izzani Huda. So I'm gonna present the client server under the Python. So first we change the directory to 04 server on Python. Then the list content of server. And we command the nano server.py to show the source code. So this is the source code under the server.py file, which is the complete source code that we already entered. So you can check and save if there are any errors. So then we move to the client terminal. We change the directory to 05 client and then enter the same command as in the server, but change the file name to client.py, and we command the nano client.py to see the source code under this file. So this is the source code under client.py file. So as you can see, we have the definition. We also configure the host is the password, and we also have the client configuration under server port, which is 10500. Then we go back to the terminal and we command the cd. We check the Docker file under this client file. So this is the Docker file under client.py. Then we go to the server terminal and we enter the same command nano docker file, and this is the Docker file under the server.py. So that's all from me. Thank you.